Hey everyone, how are all of you tonight? I'm Andrea Cox. I'm a little bit late, not too bad. As you come on here, if you can just tell me where you're tuning in from in the link in the description box, in the comments below. I'm late, I'm flustered. If you can tell me where you're tuning in from in the comments below and hit the like button if you can hear me clearly. A lot of times you come on here and people are like, oh, you're in and out, or you can't, I can't hear you, or, things of that nature. So if you can just hit the like button if you can hear me clearly, and then tell me where you are tuning in from in the description box below. I've got a great little recipe for you, inspired by my friend Raw, Teresa. She is awesome. Okay, I can't figure out my new phone when it does things like this. I'm gonna have to use the old phone. Hang on. I'm sorry, you guys. Let me just make sure that you can hear me and see me clearly. Hi. Okay, yay. Hello, Ed. Hello, Brian. Hello, Lynn in Bali. Lynn Branson, how are you? Let me just... Hi, Diane. Hi, Victor. Hi, Angela. Okay, you guys, so hit the like button. Tell me where you're tuning in from in the description box below. I'm going to make something that is amazing. It's super easy to make. It's less than 5 ingredients, which you know I love. So what I have here is I have nopal cactus. And nopal cactus is really good for the digestive system because it's a gelatinous food. Now, other gelatinous foods would be aloe, okra, anything that has like a slime to it. Some people have a texture issue. I know my mom doesn't like really slimy food. If you do have a texture issue, just rinse the nopal cactus off. I'm going to show you real close what nopal looks like. So I rinse the slime off to make this dish. And what's going to be in this dish? This dish tastes exactly like a fish ceviche. I'm going to leave the spices off and let you choose your own spice. A lot of people use like a fish spice, like something you would use in a fish dish, because it's still vegan as long as it's gluten-free. You can sprinkle something like that on there. I'm just going to leave the spice off tonight because I don't want anything spicy. But we've got this nopal cactus. We've got an organic lime, avocado, and we have cilantro and green onion. Now, if you were wanting it to look pretty, you could use red onion, purple onion. That would make it, really colorful. You could put red bell pepper in it. I just like using green onion for all detoxifying purposes. Green onion is easier to digest. I even like to use the green stem. So here's what I'm going to do. If I had all my clear little dishes, that would be so much better, but they've all got crystals sitting in them all over the house. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Okay, so I'm going to stick some of the nopal after I've rinsed it off. This is a great food because, when I used to go to Mexico a lot, this is one of the only foods I could find there to eat because it was organic. So sometimes I would like fry it up in coconut oil. Sometimes I would batter it in coconut flour and coconut oil, and I would season it. And sometimes I would just, for myself, eat it raw in a salad. This will be my salad tonight. I'm going to put some things with it. You'll see how I plate it. But I'm putting the nopal cactus in here. I'm just going to do like a little tear of cilantro. I better chop this cilantro. Just about a handful of cilantro. This would be really good with like raw corn in it. I love this because the enzymes are intact because it's 100% raw. I'm just going to take 2 green onions. This has less than 5 ingredients, so it's so easy to digest. And what I love about it is that it's got that, like, you know, that slimy, you know, good for your gut feel. I love that. So I'm going to take a lemon, roll it to get some of the juices out. Lewis, if you get up on this counter, honestly, I will send you away to a home. I've got a chair right here because my computer's dead and Lewis wants to get on the counter. He's such a pain in the, you know what? So just a little lime juice. Juice of 1 lime. These limes are really fresh. Wow, these have a lot of juice. So far, you know, all green ingredients. I know, should have gotten something with color, but oh well. Hang on one second. So instead of using like a fish seasoning, because I actually really don't like fish seasoning, to be honest with you, before I add the avocado, I'm going to add something sweet, which is going to be organic coconut palm sugar, which is low on the glycemic index, and then Celtic sea salt. So just a little pinch. That's a lot, actually. Just kind of mix it up with your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. I'll plate this so you can see it. And a little sprinkle of coconut palm sugar. That way you have like all the flavors in it. You know, you have salty, you have sweet, you have a little bit of the bitter with the onion, you have acidic with the lime. So all your taste buds are satisfied. You have fatty with the avocado. You've got texture. I went to the gym right before this. I guess it's my new thing to move my gym time from 8 a.m. to like 6 p.m. Okay. Oh my God, so good. I'm gonna plate this so you guys can see it. So again, I'm gonna go over the ingredients. It's super easy. Oh, Brandon, thank you for your gift. I got it in the mail today. Thank you. That was so kind of you. So kind of you. So I'm trying to look, I don't have anything red around the house or a purple onion, or I would put that in, but I'll plate it on a yellow plate to show you how pretty it is when it's done. So all I have in here, again, is nopal cactus, coconut palm sugar, a little bit of Celtic sea salt, lime juice, cilantro, green onion, and avocado. What is that, like 5 ingredients? Okay, so I'm gonna kind of, oh my God, this is so pretty. I mean, seriously? Dude, oh, did I say dude? I did. Look at that. It's like raw ceviche. And it's so good. It's just a combination of all the flavors, and you can mix it up. You can put, you know, like I said, red pepper, orange pepper. You can put raw corn is delicious in it. You could put this time of year pomegranate seeds for color. That would be beautiful. Or cut up a persimmon and put that in there. But it's raw, it's vegan. So I'll eat this with 3 of these little, someone can tell me what this is. I'll send you my Juicing for Beauty book. Just say it in the comments section. I'll eat this and that'll be my dinner. I'll have like a cookie or a piece of dark chocolate after, and that's more than enough. And because it's raw, it digests easily. It's food combined properly. We've got fat, greens, and a starch. So well, these are made from quinoa. So But yeah, I'm Andrea Cox, you guys. Join me tomorrow at 3:30 in the other room. And I hope you guys like this. Would all of you eat this? If you guys have any questions, just ask them now. The Michael Myers knife. Nathan, that is actually a shun knife. You can see the little symbol. Maybe you can't. Shun knives are actually the best knives, in my opinion, you can get. Oh my God, Inglewood, Ohio. That is very close to my hometown. How are you doing out there? How are you surviving without like a Whole Foods and farmers markets? Angelina Elliott, happy dance. I miss you. And your son. Good evening, Moses. Oh, Mark, I'm glad you love it. Brandon, I'm glad you love it. Angelina, I am glad you love it. Derek, how are you? Hello in New York. Hello in Cleveland, Tennessee. Hello, Diane. Hello, Kenneth. Hello from LA. Hello from Newport Beach, Victor. Love that name. Hello, Ty. Ty is gonna have to be blocked because he posted a link under my video, and I don't allow links under my videos. Okay, you guys, so that's it. So, look, it's super simple. It's raw, it's vegan, it's organic, it'll make a pretty Instagram photo, and it took me less than 5 minutes to make. So even your kids would eat this, especially if your kids like love fish and or tater tots or something like that. They would love this. Put a little fish sauce in it and it literally tastes just like ceviche. You're not missing anything. Another thing I like to do is coconut ceviche. So with raw coconut meat, I use that instead of the nopal cactus. So keep that in mind as well. I'm Andrea Cox. I will see you at 3:30 tomorrow in the other room. And I'll post all the links to my YouTube channels and things of that nature in the description box below. Okay, be well. Bye.